that what we are doing at the moment is, okay, so now in the sheet one, the worksheet that you have received, the first question, if I read that, it says that you have to draw the front and top view of a point lying 70 above HP and 50 in front of VP. Also draw the side view. So we have to solve these questions, which are there. We have to just solve them going one by one. So now, as we learned in the 3D projecting the 3Ds, so we need to make the three planes first. So we have to make we usually do that like this. So that's my x-axis. That's my y-axis. So I'll just put this is y dash, and this is y. This is x and x dash. So, sorry, this is x and x dash. So now if I have to see this, so this surface is, which surface is this going to be? जो ऊपर दिख रही है मुझे, which plane is it? Vertical plane or horizontal plane?
Vertical.
ये मेरी vertical plane आएगी, because ये मुझे ऊपर दिख रही है. This is the front element. This is the part which will fold like this, right? So this is my vertical plane, and this opens up. So this is my horizontal plane. So what I will write is VP here and HP here. And now the question reads that draw the front and top view. So my front view will come in VP, and my top view will come in HP. So it reads that the point is lying 70 above HP. That means that all the dimensions which are in HP will be measured in, all the dimensions which are there, which I take in HP, sorry, now my screen should be better, I believe. Now all
Yes,
the
sir.
dimensions that I measure in VP, in HP are measured in VP, because जब ये ऐसे है, जब ये ऐसे फोल्ड हो गया, मान लो, ठीक है, तो ये इस तरह से फोल्ड हो गया. इस तरह से फोल्ड होने के बाद में ये कहता है क्वेश्चन कि द पॉइंट इज लाइंग 70 अबव एचपी. सो दैट मीन्स 70 अब ऊपर जाकर के मेरे को पॉइंट मिलेगा, तो दैट मीन्स वो मिलेगा यहाँ पे कहीं. सो दैट मीन्स मेरे को 70 मेजर करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. So let's say यहाँ मैंने मेजर कर लिया 70 of HP, and it says that this point is lying in front of 50 in front of VP. So 50 in front of VP. Now because this is the same point, so I will have to take a very light projection down like this, and on the same projection I will have to mark a distance, or I will have to see कि 50 दूर कहाँ आया in this from the vertical plane. So I will mark here and I will write 50 So that's what my point is. This is my point P. That is the first question, but the question does not complete here. It says that you also have to draw the side view. So my side view, I can give this as side view or this as side view. दोनों मेरे side view आ जाएंगे. So if I'm drawing something here, which side view will it be? I am drawing it towards my left. So this is the ray which is coming from the right. It will be called RHS, right side, right RSE, right side elevation. So this will be right side elevation, and this will be left side elevation. So if my light is coming from this side, so that means I have to take my projection here and I have to move it at 45 degrees, or using compass, open the compass equal to this point and draw an arc which shifts the point at 90 degrees. So either ways, either you use your set square and draw a 45-degree angle projection, or you open the compass equal to this and it will meet at the same point. So you will get the meeting at the same point. And when you then take a projection up from here and take a horizontal projection up from here, you will get the side elevation of point P. ये चीज क्लियर हुई सबको? So this is the answer for question number 1.
Sir, can you repeat the point P how we have made?
Okay. Now
स्टार्टिंग से बता दो.
Side one.
ओके, अब मैं स्टार्टिंग से बता रहा हूं एक बार. स्टार्टिंग से ये है कि मेरा क्वेश्चन ये कहता है that draw the front and top view of the point A. मतलब instead of point P, it is point A, or let's say that this is point P. Lying 70 mm above HP. So all my dimensions in HP. That means this is the 3D, and if the point is lying 70 mm above HP, so my horizontal plane is the plane at the bottom. Now if it is the bottom plane, so 70 mm above this will come in the vertical plane. So that means it will be 70 mm above in the vertical plane and
Yes, sir.
50 mm in front of VP. So that means vertical plane मेरा ये खड़ा वाला प्लेन है, इससे 50 mm आगे आके तो वो मेरा प्रोजेक्शन आएगा HP में. तो 50 mm नीचे और 70 mm ऊपर एक सिंगल लाइन पे ये मेरे पॉइंट आ जाएंगे.
बेसिकली
Yes,
अंकित, आप इनको ये बताओ कि दिस पॉइंट इज समवेयर लाइंग इन द प्लेन स्पेस, और वो
Space.
स्पेस का डायमेंशन है जो
ये
वर्टिकल प्लेन और हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन से डिस्टेंस.
ये जो पॉइंट है ये कहीं यहाँ ऐसे हवा में तैर रहा है. जो मेरी पेंसिल की टिप है ना, ये पॉइंट कहीं वहां है, तो ये नीचे जाते हैं तो ये पॉइंट पी पे जाता है, और ऊपर जाते हैं तो ये पॉइंट पी पे जाता है. अब इसका मेरे को जब साइड एलिवेशन ड्रॉ करना है तो ये वाला पॉइंट यहां से इस वाले प्लेन पे आएगा ना, इस y डैश x वाले प्लेन पे.
अंकित, one thing you can do, you can tore your paper and show them जैसे 3D में था, और फिर उसको सीधा कर दो.
I'll just do that, ma'am.
हाँ, स्केल से तोड़ दैट पेपर स्क्वायर, एक स्क्वायर जो है ना, इधर से तोड़ मत करना, नीचे से तोड़ करो. इसको तोड़ मत करो, इसको मत करो.
Okay, sorry. अब ये क्या है, ये पेपर ये था, ये वर्टिकल प्लेन पे आ गया, और ये जब मैं यू क्लोज करूंगा.
Now I think so everybody will be clear.
ये क्लियर हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is my projection of the point. Now I have to shift this at 45 degrees. So either I make an arc, either I make it with the help of an arc. तो arc से ये point shift हो सकता है U, या फिर I make a 45 degree angle projection and shift it up, and that is how this projection we get this projection.
Yes, sir.
Question number 1 clear?
Basically, this is a method that at 45 degrees the point will be transferred to your basically side elevation.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Moving on
sir.
to question number 2. Now the question number 2 is asking you to project a line, right? So I'll again draw my axis. In this axis, I'll say that this is VP, this is HP, and in this projection it says 60 mm long line PQ has its end P 20 mm in front of VP. So it is 20 mm in front of VP. That means my measurement will be taken in HP. ये मेरा जो वर्टिकल प्लेन जो आया, Just give me a minute. Okay. Now let's say this is my horizontal axis, this is my vertical axis. Okay. Now I have horizontal and vertical axis drawn. I have my horizontal and vertical axis in place. Now it says कि मेरा जो ये वाला हो गया मेरा VP, ये वाला हो गया मेरा HP. Now it says that the 60 mm long line PQ has its end P 20 mm in front of VP, and the line is perpendicular to VP. That means it is lying something like that. Perpendicular to VP तो ऐसा हुआ ना? So perpendicular to VP ये line कुछ इस तरह से है, and the point P is 20 mm above 20 mm in front of VP. VP से 20 mm आगे, VP से 20 mm आगे ये लाइन शुरू होती है, राइट, एंड 40 mm अबव HP. तो ये लाइन ऐसे शुरू हुई और 40 mm अबव HP. सो दैट मींस यहां पर एक पॉइंट आएगा विच इज एट 40 mm, और ये दूर आया और ये आया यहां पे 20 mm. और ये लाइन है कितनी लंबी? These are two points that we are getting. These are the 2 points that we are getting, and the line itself is 60 mm. So that means यहां से 60 mm का लाइन मैंने बनाया, तो यहां पर तो ये एक पॉइंट ही दिखेगा विच इज बिकॉज ये लाइन परपेंडिकुलर है, तो यहां पर तो ये मेरे को एक पॉइंट की तरह ही दिखेगा विच इज एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 40 mm, एंड नीचे की तरफ दिस लाइन विल स्टार्ट 20 mm distance and it will go up till 60 mm. And now when I have to make the side elevation of this, so while making the right side elevation, I will have to take my projections from this side, make a 45-degree angle, project it up, project, and make this cut like that. So I will get my line visible like this. ये चीज समझ में आई नहीं आई?
Yes, sir.
Now if I make a cut in paper, so it is like this. It is like this. ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
That is how I make the projection. This is how the projections are made. Clear? So this is what the question number 2 is. Now moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 says that a 80 mm long line PQ lies on HP, is inclined at 30 degrees to VP, and its point P is 20 mm in front of the VP. Okay, so moving on to this question. I have my axis which is laid. What I'm doing, Okay. Now moving on to the question number 3. And line 80 mm long, long line PQ. So I have to again make these axes. 80 mm. This is VP. This is HP. Okay. Now, now I have VP and my HP. It says that 80 mm long line PQ is lying on HP and is inclined 30 degrees to VP. So that means this line is inclined at 30 degrees. So that means इस वाले horizontal axis से 30 degree का angle ये line बना रही है. And the point P is 20 mm in front of VP. So that means 20 mm दूर in front of VP. Front of VP. Draw the projection and determine its traces. So that means this line itself is 80 mm long, 20 mm away, and it does not say that it is lying above HP. It is saying that it is lying on the plane. So that means this is exactly where the line is. So if I have to draw that, so I will need to take this distance because this is in front of VP. So that is 20 mm. I measure 20 mm and I take this line of 80 centimeter, 80 mm, sorry, not 80 centimeter, 80 mm, which is at 30, which is making the angle of 30 degrees with the VP. And now I have to draw its projections to the RH, to the right hand side and to the top. So if I'm drawing it in plan, where will this projection be seen? It will merge with this axis because this line is not lying above HP. It is lying on HP, which is why I will see this line here. And when I take this projection, I put that to 45 degree, I put this to 45 degree, I will again get this. ये clear हुआ? So what will happen here? ये लाइन मुझे यहां दिखेगी. And now when I'll close it, I will be able to see these projections here. So this is what my question number 3 is. Okay. Moving on to the question number 4, which is a little tricky now. Now it says that it is a hexagonal plane of side 30 mm. So I'll increase my projection line. I'm just drawing it. So a 30 mm side has a corner on ground. Its surface is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. That means मेरा एक hexagonal plane है, मतलब मेरा एक कोई भी मैं पेपर ले लूं. Let's say this is my paper, and this is a sort of hexagon. So I'm just creating this to be something looking like a hexagon. ये कुछ hexagon जैसा दिख रहा है. Now it says that a hexagonal plane of side 30 centimeters, so let's say this is 30 centimeters, has a corner on ground. On ground means that a corner is on ground. And its surface is inclined 30 degrees to HP. And its surface, ये surface जो है, is inclined to 30 degrees to HP. So it is 30 degrees inclined to HP. 30 degrees inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. So VP में ये ऐसे आ जाएगा, perpendicular to VP. Draw the projections when the diagonal through the corner of the HP is parallel to VP. Draw its projection when the diagonal through the corner. So that means कोई भी एक diagonal जो हम इसका जोड़ लें, कोई भी एक diagonal जब हम इसका जोड़ें, this diagonal is the diagonal through the corner in HP is parallel to the VP. So that means ये
Excuse me, sir.
ये यूं है, जो डायगोनल है वो ऐसे है, तो ये प्लेन जो है वो करीब करीब ऐसे आएगा।
सर
हाँ
सर ये समझ नहीं आ रहा, एक बार वापस से स्टार्ट कर दो ना इसको।
देखो, अब ये एक हेक्सागोनल प्लेन है, ठीक है। अब ये जो इसका डायगोनल है, जो भी हम हेक्सागन के जो डायगोनल्स होते हैं, ओके अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, तुम लोग ना अभी सबसे पहले ये तीनों क्वेश्चन जो अभी हैं वो 3 क्वेश्चंस करो। प्लेन का क्वेश्चन अपन मैं तुम्हें अभी थोड़ी देर में समझाता हूँ। ये 3 जो नीचे के क्वेश्चंस है ना प्लेन के, वो अपन थोड़ी देर में करते हैं, ठीक है। व्हाट वील डू
Ankit, I can also explain them planes if you want. Afterwards,
Yes, ma'am. Let's ask them to make the format and divide the sheet into six parts so that they can get 6 questions done on the sheet, and let them do the 3 questions. So they are 45 in total. So that means roll number 1 to 15 will do question number 1 first. Roll number 16 to 30 will do the question number 2 first, and roll number 16 and the last remaining roll numbers will do that question number 3 first. Okay.
okay.
So we will connect back in 45 minutes, ma'am, or 1 hour.
I think so 1 hour we can give them because this is first time they are attempting.
Yes, ma'am. So let's give them 1 hour, and 1 घंटे बाद में अपन मिलते हैं, और उस 1 घंटे बाद में I would expect कि 1 घंटे के अंदर ये तीनों क्वेश्चन ही आपके करीब करीब कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे।
सर
ओके यस
सर ये A1 शीट पे करने हैं क्या?
यस